Wow, I think I just hit my biggest score ever, and maybe possibly the biggest British TV show set haul ever from a thrift store. I spent $99 on 4 full bags of British shows. And there may be a movie or two in there as well. But this is insane. I've never spent this much on DVDs in one place, and it's I can't believe it. There are some sets in there that are going to be 30, 40, $50 each. There are going to be other ones I could lot up and sell for 60, 80, $100. I can't wait to get them out to show you guys and total them up for myself. I'm gonna get in here and show you guys what I got. Got many seasons of As the Time Goes By. If you are not aware of that, it is an old series with Judi Dench, Dame Judi Dench. Got those for $1 each. Some were $3. I don't know why some were $3, but mainly all $1 each. I'm gonna lot those all up and make some good money. I'll pop up what I think I'll sell them for, some comps right here. Next, I got, let's see how many of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 sets, all different seasons, or however they call them, sets. For this one, of Midsummer Murders. I had just sold like 4 of these together just last week for $72. So I'll probably lot them up like that and let people buy them. I don't know if I'll put the whole thing. So I got a full run from 6 through 17. I can always lot those up, but I think I'll probably divide these up into maybe 2 lots or maybe 3 lots and put them up for like maybe 100 each. Got new tricks. I can't remember if this is an English one. Yeah, it does say English on there. It says from the UK, BBC. I can't remember if it was one of the Australian ones. There's some Australian shows out there that do really well. But I got season 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I got 2 4s and 5s that I could just save for later to lot up. I've sold new tricks before, but I'll sell 1 through 5, and I'll throw up a comp right here. Then I got a few random ones. Inspector Lewis, I don't think that one's gonna go that much, but that's series 8. I think it's one of the later series for them, so it'll be okay. Scott and Bailey, I think this was about a $20 set. That's season 1. This one I've sold before in the past. The Darling Buds of May. It has Catherine Zeta-Jones in it. I think it was like a soap opera or drama series in the UK. I've sold that before. That'll go for about $20 as well. Some very key finds here are 5 sets of Miss Marple. I'll probably sell these all separately. I could sell them together in a set. I got them all consecutive sets here, but these will go for a lot. I think they're about $30 to $50 depending on the set, and I'll throw some comps up so you could see that as well. I also got 4 of these Sherlock Holmes collections. I looked these up. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I'll show you guys the comps. I think it was like $20, maybe $25 for these. I haven't sold these ones before, but the comps looked really good. I got 5 different Sherlock Holmes sets on here as well. Now that may be the world's largest thrift store haul of British shows ever on YouTube. I don't know. I may have to check with the Guinness Book of World Records for that. You guys let me know if you think that's the biggest haul ever when it comes to British shows on YouTube. I think it may. I think I may get a Guinness Book World Record for it. I don't know if I want to pay for the submission. I think it's like $1,000 submit for it, but I don't know. I'm pretty pumped for it. As you can see, I'm getting all hot and sweaty from hauling these DVDs in, being super excited about finding these. I'm gonna throw some estimated profit right here, and Hope you guys come back next time and see my next haul. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you get more content like this. I try to show you guys different bolos that you can find at the thrift stores, through Facebook Marketplace, through online arbitrage. I'm going to be showing you guys that type of stuff. All that type of stuff, I want to be able to show you guys how you can make money and resell it on either eBay, Mercari, Amazon, Poshmark, all that, etc. So make sure, if you haven't already, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment below. I want to hear about your greatest thrift store haul that you've ever had. And in the meantime, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.